Yes, so welcome to this episode of Randoms. This episode, we all learn on how to personalize your mifi after purchase. First of all, let me tell you how I got my mifi. So I purchased my mifi on the Jumia mobile app. If your cell phone can't access the app, you can access it also on their website, that is www.jumia.com.gh. You first sign up and then go about your order. If your cell phone can also access the app too, you also sign up and then go about it. With mine, I've already signed up, so let's get on with it. This is the mifi purchase, as you can see. And also, it was at 186 at the time. And then Jumia also runs a promo where others above 150 cities get their item delivered without fees. So we order adena 150 cities among with delivery fees. Some item was 180 cities, and then the fees attached to it was 11, as you can see over here. They didn't charge me for the fees due to the promo. In a different video, I'll show you guys how others work on Jumia, but for this, let's focus on the mifi. So after you purchase it and then the item is delivered, the first thing you do is to open the back case of the mifi and then remove the rubber attached to the battery's terminal. After removing the rubber, you charge it. All mifi comes along with a manual, of course. After charging, you insert your SIM and turn it on. The name of the mifi would be displayed on your cell phone. So you choose it and then enter the password that came along with it. Most mifis got their password to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0. I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. After a certain days, you can successfully connect to the mifi. And if your password isn't that, you can either check on the manual or open your mifi and then remove your battery. You see a paper over there. The password will be on it. Now, with the personalization, you pick the mifi's manual. When you pick the mifi's manual, you will see an IP address on the manual. Mostly the IP address is 192.168.100.1. 192.168.100.1. If it's not that, you should turn to the manual for the exact IP address. After getting the IP address, you open your web browser. Any web browser at all. It can be Safari, it can be Google Chrome, and amongst others. This tutorial, I'm using Safari. If you open your Safari, you type the IP address of the mifi at the search bar. And if you are using Chrome too, you type it at the search bar. Note that you shouldn't type it in an active website, something like Google. If you do that, you won't get it right. You get something like this. But when you type it in your browser search bar, you get something like this. Yeah, so this is how it looks like or how it appears if you do it right. Over here is the name, and over here is where you insert your password. This is the most confusing part. You think at this point you type the password you use to connect to the mifi, but no. At this place you type admin, all in lowercase letters. Admin, all in lowercase letters, are shown on the manual. So the name is admin and the password to personalize it is also admin, all in lowercase letters. After typing it, you proceed to the next page. After getting access into the mifi, you can personalize it. This is where you change the name and the password also. After typing it, you tap the submit button. If you want to improve the connection of the mifi, you hit the network setting at this side. And then you switch it to 4G only for a fast connection. Over here too is a place you can change the password of the IP address. So I think this are, if you change it, it automatically logs you out. So you type in the new password to, log back in. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips.